for your connected lifestyle. Packed with tons of smart features, the Sobro side table is the ultimate upgrade to your bedroom or living room. Thanks to the support of over 2,000 backers, we successfully shipped the Sobro coffee table last October. Now, with your feedback and support, we're raising the bar with our next generation product, the Sobro side table. Need a cold drink in the middle of the night? No worries. The built-in cooler drawer has you covered, and there's also a locking storage drawer too. In the bedroom, the Sobro side table is a next generation nightstand that pairs with our app to improve your sleep. Our app helps you sleep better with a white noise generator and wake up easier with LED lights that simulate sunrise. A motion activated light bar on the front of the table goes on when you get up, so there's no need for a nightlight. Play some bedtime tunes or set the mood. Stream your Bluetooth audio from your phone through the built-in speakers. Or, for even richer sound, you can sync two side tables together. Stay powered up with the built-in wireless charging. We've also added 4 USB ports and 2 outlets on the back so you can charge all your devices. And our cord management system keeps everything nice and organized. Add colorful ambience to your environment with the LED accent lights. Choose your favorite color through our app or control the lights right from the back of the table. With your input, we've created the Sobro side table to complement your busy lifestyle and help you improve your quality of sleep. Whether you use it as an end table or a nightstand, the Sobro side table is designed to support your always connected lifestyle. Finally, furniture designed to multitask. We have a working prototype and have all our manufacturing partners in place. All we need now is your help to start the final production and start shipping the Sobro side table to your home. Please back us today and help make the Sobro side table a reality.
Smartphone that enables her to order a ride home, control the temperature, turn on the lights, pay for things. Face it, we're living in a technological wonderland. And yet here we find Phil. Phil's forgotten the combination of his travel lock. Here's the current solution to that problem. We live in an era filled with technological marvels, and yet this is what happens when Phil forgets a lock combination. Is that the best we can do? No, because we live in an era where the airbolt exists. The airbolt is a travel lock you control with your smartphone. It's the lock the future deserves. A lock with customizable security settings. This airbolt opens whenever my phone is within Bluetooth range. Or maybe you don't trust anyone in your life. That's fine. The settings on this airbolt require me to enter a password into the app. Or maybe your airbolt's been stolen. That's fine too, because you can set your airbolt to activate an alarm when it moves too far away from your phone. Or you can activate the alarm manually. Stop that man! It's the justice the future deserves. Hi, Bill.
Hi.
Tell them what happened, Bill.
I lost my bag.
You lost your... We live in a world where I can use my smartphone to monitor my sleeping patterns, but Bill here can't find his bag. If Bill had been using the airbolt instead of some antique, he could have located it using the airbolt's crowdsourced GPS network. Or what if you lose your phone? Well, you can still unlock your airbolt by logging in from another device. Or you can enter a backup button code using your hand, like some kind of prehistoric man. The airbolt has a rechargeable battery, which only needs to be charged once a year via a standard micro USB connector. It's TSA approved, so airport security is not an issue. The app will record a history of every time you've locked and unlocked your airbolt. You can even share access to your airbolt with your friends, so you'll be able to unlock it from the other side of the world. Thanks, pal. You're welcome, buddy. And look how small it is. Seriously, look at it. It's really small. Airbolt. It's the travel lock we all deserve.
Getting the shots you're looking for can be a real challenge in and of itself. But keeping those videos stable and clear can really make or break it. To create an excellent film, we have to keep the camera steady and smooth. At Snowball, we hope to help videographers realize their visions, regardless of whether or not they have a huge crew with all the equipment or just a one-man operation. We want to give creators freedom of movement without losing quality or stability. So we created the Kylan M. The Kylan M is an innovative and portable 3-axis stabilized gimbal. With it, you can take mirrorless cameras, action cameras, or your cell phone virtually anywhere and capture smooth video at nearly any angle. The Kylan M was designed for videographers to help them catch the perfect moment without the need for cumbersome equipment. The Kylan M uses Snowpa's multi-axis stabilization system. You can easily eliminate all camera shake, making your videos look professional and clear. The Kylan is all about filming freedom. We wanted the Kylan M to be an extension of the camera itself. New algorithms paired with the brand's new closed-loop control structure achieves a quick response time of 16 milliseconds. This results in high-accuracy stabilization and smooth controls. We know that gimbals can be heavy, and recording on them for extended amounts of time can get tiresome. So we designed the handle to rotate so the whole setup can be held in a low-angle carry position. Switching modes is easy, and the innovative design allows you to get your shot no matter the situation. Kylan M is equipped with a 23 watt-hour replaceable battery and has at least 12 hours of runtime. The Kylan M has a universal mount, which can perfectly fit a variety of lightweight cameras, including mirrorless cameras, smartphones, and action cameras. We built a bus into the mounting plate and handle, allowing for multiple attachments, and with its aluminum body, you can take it anywhere without worry. Zoom, angle, shutter controls, or recording can be controlled right from the handle. The Kylan M was designed to handle a range of camera accessories. On the handle of the gimbal is a port that can work with anything from a transmitter for a remote monitor of different types. Through our app, the Kylan M can be controlled wirelessly, and even charge your camera for extended shooting time. We're incredibly thankful to all the backers who helped bring the M1 to life. But with the stabilizer, we realized that there's a lot of room for growth for our company. We're still very tech-focused, but we've already begun improving our customer service and our communication. We hope to not only offer the best products that we can, but also the best service to back it up. Thank you for checking out our Indiegogo campaign, and we appreciate your support.
Hey buddy, what's up?
Okay, Lumo. Let's go.
What is this thing?
Any ideas? I'll be right back.
Cheer up, humans.
Pizza, Chinese.
Sorry, I'm vegan.
Watch this. 3, 2, 1.
Fancy a flyer?
Whoa.
You're welcome.
Okay, Lumo. Go.
Sir, yes, sir.
designer. In next 2 minutes I'm gonna invite you to meet Nairika. Nairika is a smart e-bike and our vision is to make it affordable for all people around the world. Let's take a look.
This is Nairika, an electric bicycle, and beautifully the most affordable carbon fiber smart electric bike ever. With 3 model ranges, Street, Street Plus, and Homie, all under $1,000. You can ride Nairika as a normal bike with the 10-speed Shimano gears, or enjoy the luxury and the real joy of the 500 watts electric hub motor to go further and beyond effortlessly. You can cruise smoothly through your neighborhood at up to 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour, and with a range of up to 50 miles or 80 kilometers on a single charge. Nairika makes every journey an exciting experience. Nairika is a beautifully designed smart e-bike with a very lightweight yet extremely strong monocoque carbon fiber frame and a powerful motor at an affordable price, with unique and recognizable silhouette featuring a cutting-edge technology and packed with mind-blowing options. Nairika is not a downhill bike, but it doesn't mean we haven't pushed it too hard and break its limits. Introducing Nairika Heartbeat Assist. When activated, the faster heartbeat you get, the more assist you get from the motor automatically. This mode gives you 3 pedal assist levels based on your heartbeat rate. You can also calibrate the percentage of assist you would like to receive using the Nairika app.
We have already built several prototypes and been testing them over and over. Now, all we need is your support to start the production and bring the Nairika to you. Thanks for watching.
Nairika, the future is here. Let's ride along.